Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Bingx to your Phantom wallet. For that, first of all, you need to come on bingx.com and here you need to just log into your account. You can also follow the same steps via the Bingx mobile application. So you just have to simply launch that and go in the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see the withdraw option. So you need to tap on withdraw and then you will be redirected on this select coin page where you need to select Solana and select the option of on-chain withdrawal. Afterwards, you will be landed on the on-chain withdrawal option where you need to just fill out this form where first of all, you will have to provide the sole address. So in order to get that address, you need to simply launch your Phantom Wallet app or the Phantom Wallet extension in your web browser. Over here, you will see the receive option. So you need to tap on the receive option and over here you will see Solana. So you need to copy the Solana address. Afterwards, you need to paste this address in this section, then select the network as Solana. Then you need to enter the withdrawal amount and here you need to make sure that the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.3 sol or might be different. Once done, you just have to simply click on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then it will ask you for the confirmation. So you need to simply confirm these details and once everything is correct, you just have to conclude your transaction. Now, once your transaction is completed, within 3 to 5 minutes, you are going to receive your Solana from your Bingx account to your Phantom wallet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.